Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change the font on your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your Shopify account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options that you have for managing your store. At the left side of the screen, you can see you have the home section, you have your orders, products, customers, and so on. So guys, now let's say we want to change the font that is being used on our store. The first thing we have to do guys is go ahead and find this option right here at the left side of the screen called Online Store. So guys, go ahead and click on Online Store and this will now automatically open up the themes section right here in the Online Store. If it didn't, then what you want to do is go ahead and open up the themes section. Now this is the theme section where we can manage and customize our theme. So what we want to do guys, go ahead and find the theme we are using and then next to the name, go ahead and click on Customize. Click on Customize guys and this will now take us to this new page where we can see all the options we have for customizing our theme of the website. So what we want to do guys, go ahead and look at the left side of the screen and find this option right here called Theme Settings. So go ahead and click on Theme Settings and now we can again edit some of the options on our website and we want to find this option right here called Typography. Go ahead and open up that guys and now we can go ahead and change our font. We can change the font size scale, you can change the body of the font and so on. So just go ahead and select whatever option you want and after selecting that guys, go ahead and click save in the upper right corner and this will automatically apply it to your new website. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.